sport federations in Rwanda. Now, on Thursday, when we started the marketing piece, it began slowly because you could tell that many of the federations before had a heavy dependence on government. But by the time we wrapped up this afternoon on Friday, you could start to see a shift in the attitude that people believe that, yes, it will take time, it doesn't happen overnight, but at least the discussion has begun on how to shift dependence away from government so that, you see, if you look at the English Premier League, Chelsea, Man U, those teams in the Premier League, that is not government. La Liga, Barcelona, Real Madrid, that's not government. Those are private clubs in a private league, and they generate hundreds of millions of dollars, pounds, euros, what have you. So, just to be clear, we're not saying that Rwanda will be like that overnight, but what we are saying is that there is a need to shift to a private sector model. And the purpose of this week was to begin that conversation.